Looking for that to be hit.
Alright.
Cool. Alright, I'm gonna go pee.
Do it. I'm gonna have to get a fucking mic stand or something. It's just sat on the desk.
When did we get soundboards?
I
How did
think
we get
I
soundboards?
think it's just the basic package. I've also got Dodgy's ones, but they're all locked. So it's just Discord sound.
This is an eval. Alright, give me a second. I'm gonna see what Charmaine's talking shit about.
Can we also fucking add soundboards? We can upload our own soundboard, get our own sounds. I need people to join
Hang on, my brother.
announcements.
Sorry, mate. My replies are shit. And also, I just left you like a minute voicemail, and I only just realised. Yeah, it's just like a. I didn't even realise. My bad.
Oh, fair, okay.
What the fuck was that?
Did the guy come back in? No. Whatever then.
What?
Everyone. Who?
That's
I do that.
I know. I just, like what like it'll get everyone. It just comes back status.
Right. I'm not gonna watch his stream like the whole time, but I sort of just tune in every now and then.
Yeah, no, of course not. Like,
Anyway,
Kyle, let us know if you can hear us or not.
who?
Kyle, your brother's joined.
Oh, hello, Mesh.
I don't think he has mic privilege.
Oh, we'll give him mic privilege then.
Hold on, it says can't hear either. What? All right, Lyle, come on. You're the techie for Discord. You're a desk tech.
Why? What? That's so weird. Bro, just hang on. Wait.
I'm in streams. It's a live channel. Let me look at the privilege. You know where you're going.
You've got people only able to view. You've got them. No, he have just muted himself. The issue with him not being able to hear, though, would be regarding either his settings or yours, or it could be in here.
Well, Will can hear me.
Yeah.
So I reckon it is about the privileges, like the roles.
What role has he got?
New trader, I think. I think that's the one everyone's got. Other than actual admins. Oh my god, mate, we're missing the move.
What move?
Yeah, it's the tech issues. They're gonna make us miss.
Are you mental?
Yeah, mate, I'm absolutely rinsed.
That coffee is so hot. What the fuck?
Because we can can't hear someone now. Can hear you both. Actually, just Will. I can hear. Okay, so it's just me then.
Oh, Kyle,
Oh,
if you can
us
hear me,
now.
then go like you see my screen. Yeah, click on Dan, and then make his volume massive. I don't know why you're
Mush, I fixed it. It's fine.
fucking muted. Like,
No, we've done it. We've done it. Oh, congrats a lot. Thanks a lot.
yeah, but how do we unmute the geezer?
He's chosen to go.
Oh, you know what?
No,
I don't.
It's a choice for him. Like,
He's able to unmute himself and speak now.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't really want him to speak. No, I'm kidding. He's gonna get well offended that I said that. He's a little sensitive shithead. I'm just trying to piss him off. He's actually gonna be crushing out at me. Right, lock in.
It's push to talk.
Time to lock in.
If he's got a button that you can push.
We got 10 minutes, so it's calm.
Yeah, we'll set up. Okay, that's fine. I want to watch Will up as well.
Where did I put my tablet?
Did you not just leave it over there?
Yeah, I did. That's fine. Did I bring the big button? Yeah, I did. You can't. You're trader.
That make this so special.
You can't do fucking bacon trader, can you? No, you can't.
The calm. Serious calms. Extreme dead.
Who's that speaking? Is that
Not up,
Shemaine?
down. It's not
Yeah.
contemplating.
The
Just
thing
have
that's coming from Wills.
it's just there.
I know. I was asking Will.
It's all.
I love you.
Oh yeah, it would be because he's watching the stream.
Yeah, I know.
Talk, because I don't hear anything. You're not that quiet.
Wait, you can't. Can you hear me?
You are quiet. You need to sort that out.
It's the sensitivity. I have to go into audio settings. Hold on. You can't talk because it's set to push to talk. What about now? Because my thing's saying that's like overly sensitive.
A little bit. Quite a little bit down.
There you go. How about that? That's staying in the green for me.
A bit lower.
Lower. So say that's fine then, yeah?
A bit higher.
Okay. Any higher? Any better?
That's better. That's better.
That's better. Okay. I can keep it there. You have it set for that. Is that what you said that as push to talk?
There we go.
Oh, there you go.
There we go.
Is that higher?
You've got the channel set to push to talk, so I have to hold the button every time.
Yeah. Where is it?
Should be interesting this week. I set out the weekly forecast and everything last night, I believe. I did not forget about the price action workshop videos. They were already pre-recorded, but I didn't like the delivery and the videos, so I want to redo them. I just haven't got time to do it. So those will be sent out. Sorry, I'm late with that, but it's Monday. Opening bell in about 8 minutes. First live. What's up? What's up? What's going on? Let's see if we got any here. Been a while since I've seen you guys. Chimps, what's up?
with Shemaine.
I think I'm a cruise guy now. I want to go back. It was a lot. Super fun. Mexico is very nice. Drew, what's going on? Kevin, Franco. What's up? What's up? Gonzo, what's going on? What's up, Jay? Glad to have you back. So we got a little fun today.
Well, you might
Narrative
want
for
to
the
mute
morning.
yourself.
So there's a little bit that has me cautious this morning. For one, it's I'm seeing today like a no news Monday.
Supposed to be doing a stream of our own, recording the last session. He's off watching his own stream.
Yeah. That wrong? Oh, you're not muted as well.
No, I know I'm not muted. Rather than make content, we'd rather watch it. Are we gonna be talking about this trading or what? Like, the water's in this gaff are out. I need to pee. Lyle needs to fucking shit. These will be edited out. It's fine. These bits.
What, you want me to talk about trading? Alright, I wrote it all here. Look, fucking, we're having an inside trading day, which means you want to be cautious. Because we're not going to sweep previous day's high before we go lower. We've got a large gap opening, as in the regular trading hours closed last week, like down here, and now we're up. Like it's going to be like 100, nearly 200 points. So you don't want to just like trade long, which is not my idea anyway. So any long is out of the question, and so that leaves me thinking. This is the 1 minute. At the very least, these highs here being swept before a short, but I want to see this taken because these are made relatively equal highs right before 9:30. I want to see that taken, and if we get a delivery for a short out of this new day opening gap, that would be good. And I'm going to require the macro and some significant displacement before I just blindly jump into a trade. But I'm not going to go long. I'm only going to go short. I'll also draw 8:30 open on the chart.
No, yeah, I think we're in confidence there. I'm waiting for the sweep of that high. Oh no. I'll change that immediately.
But this is what I'll do. I have a 5 minute. Because in the first, like, the moment the market opens, I'm going to be watching the 5 minute, and that I'm not going to be paying any attention to it at all. Because it does this thing, it'll be like, it looks like it's going lower, then it will look like it's going higher. It really will just fucking, it's good like that. So just watch 5 minutes.
Fuck you over.
Don't do anything.
You know, I've got 5, 15, and 1 open. So I just had to adjust my settings. So, yeah.
And that minor buy side there being right at 8:30 open is good, you know.
Yeah.
What is this? 710. Bro, I don't know what that is.
710.
I'm talking to myself. There's no SMT here either, so I really want that high to be swept. What's your mum doing? Oh, Kyle?
He left Mush. He's gone.
He's still here, bro.
No, he's gone.
Oh, fuck. What a dickhead. Hang on. Join.
Get him to rejoin. I don't know why he left. He was like, come on, mate.
He said my shit's not working. We'll try and sort it.
No, it's because we weren't talking.
Oh, whatever.
Nah, I'd like to take those high. What is this? What's this one? Oh, that's previous day's high.
But,
Is
yeah, like, it's not the best conditions to you know, trade. You want to demand something really good. And if not, you want to tape read.
No, yeah, I'm here just tape reading, logging, testing out the recording and audio. I'm definitely going to have, like, to adjust the way I do this. I think my mic's recording a lot of your audio as well. I need to use headphones. And cut out a lot of sensitive audio. Right. Yeah, like inter-range. Oh Jesus Christ! Look at none this fucking.
It's doing something I like.
Yeah, yeah, like. There we go. Sweeping those highs.
Dollar in. Dollar's heading for some equal lows, by the looks of it, which is interesting because that's opposite to this. If I look on the
Yeah.
Anyway, let's not complicate it.
I'll switch these ones over. I want the 5 minute to be the one I'm mainly looking at. Apparently Dodgy called this A+ and was going to take it.
Oh, there's an old data high here. From where? Don't know why it's still on the chart.
Well, we're going through
Slept an old data high.
noise.
Why can't I get rid of this data high? There we go.
Alright.
See, that's your first presentation, but I'm not going to use it because it's shit, so I'm going to wait for another one and then I'll call that the first presentation. It's next in T.
Is that? Oh, let's have a look, see. Where is this SMT? ES or DAO?
Look at my screen. ES.
Oh, at the highs.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, all the way back. Yeah. Okay, I see. Ah, I didn't zoom that far out. My bad. Noted.
Okay, so I'm going short here.
Oh, I didn't save over the old one.
Order filled.
You entered here.
Order filled.
And then added more.
Order filled.
So let's stop down to London loads. Where was 200? I've never seen 200 in one trade. Man, very interesting like stream and recording here, like always me on mute. Make some conversation, we short in. Obviously waiting for this gap to invert, come on.
I say that I've got too much size on, I didn't mean this much size on. So I might be fucked.
I put 3.
It was an accident. I put 5 and then I had to get rid of one.
I'll put it at there.
But my stop is just way tighter than I would have liked. I should have calculated it, but I rushed in like an idiot.
Mm. And the top of the end dog. The midpoint of there. Go break even.
What?
I don't know.
I'm not here to make jokes, man. I'm gonna very likely lose today. I didn't calculate anything properly, so it's whatever. But we'll keep watching after. Didn't realize how fucking volatile everything is. I'd need to calculate my risk before I enter. That's pretty much a given. Let the account lock itself. It's about to.
Order
There we
filled.
go. Yeah, so I'm locked
Order
out
filled.
because I didn't calculate my risk. And we'll watch. Do you know why I took that trade?
Why? Because Shemaine said.
Yeah.
No, I.
I didn't even see anything. I don't know why I did that. What did you do?
What did I do? I shorted with you.
Oh, you copied me.
Well, no, it was like it swept the highs like I was waiting for, wicked into the new dog and tapped even further back. Oh, no, that's the SMT thing. And then I was like, oh, like it makes sense delivering out of this end dog through like the massive up candle that we got at 9:30. Like sweep.
I don't know
I
why
was
you
just
took
like,
that trade.
I know, I thought it was gonna go faster. I don't know.
I don't know why you took that, to be honest. I know, like, I just copied him, which is bizarre. I'll try not to do that again. I didn't even need to watch. We had the same idea. I just had it open. Anyway. I'll sit here and demo trade the actual trade I want to take instead of blindly copying someone like an idiot. What did you lose?
105.72. Not much. Half what I can lose in the day is fine. Oh wait.
$572.
What? 105. Who's risking 570?
I don't know. That was a really stupid trade that he took. I don't know why I blindly copied him. There was nothing, there was no real displacement or anything. Uh, Okay.
Yeah. Setting the
Wait for
ranges.
displacement.
Yeah, I'm not entering on anything. Gotta be careful. Macro starts here, but we're watching.
I'm selling the break there. With a limit order.
Selling
Have
the
it
breaker with
one tick.
Order
Oh,
filled.
the fuck? The breaker.
on the 1 minute, yeah.
Low. Oh, I see. A low, high, lower, low.
Mm-hmm.
No. High, low, high, high, low, low. Low, high.
Order filled.
Adding more. I haven't entered.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
I got stopped out immediately.
Yeah, it just flipped. I was just like,
Alright.
I didn't trust this.
Well, that would be it for the day. That's just type of market it's in today. Gonna keep watching though.
Yeah, I've still got a
It's interesting.
couple of trades left. I'm just waiting.
That was a good trade.
Because
Like,
it
I
literally
wouldn't
just
not
wicked.
take that.
It literally just wicked and tapped an end dog like to the tick.
The only thing against that trade is like wait until the macro, but that was a good trade. I don't know, you know, I'm happy to take that loss.
Yeah. One, two, like high, low, high, high.
Another thing I'm gonna
Quick.
mark on the chart if you watch my screen is the high of the 4 hour sell side imbalance, because in 10 minutes that's gonna determine if it's inversion or not. Which would completely negate any like idea for a short, in my opinion. And like the dollar is heading to sell side, so it could look like that. And then in that case, you just not trade, because like it's just because it says all right, it's actually going long. It's just like the gap opening is way too high. The daily range is already massive. Like there's no point risking that. You could just get caught in chop at 10 a.m.
Yeah. No, I'm still waiting to watch. Like, when the bodies have been hitting the upper quadrant of that 4 hours to be fucking ages. We literally wicked the top of that as well. Yeah, no, I think it is just gonna be. So this could be the failure swing with a 10 o'clock reversal. Judas upwards. 8:30 open. do you think it's still showing quite heaviness here?
He's showing nothing then.
No, like because it's reacting off the top off of that 4-hour civvy. Like it's not allowing it to get up to that point. I have no idea.
No, no. You
I don't
wait
know.
for 10 a.m.
Yeah.
That's just me teaching you.
Yeah, I know. I'm not. Yeah. See, exactly. Yeah. Point. Listen.
Yeah, so we're just offside, pretty much.
Yeah, we didn't even have a clear draw for the week anyway.
No, we're just offside, and there's no reason to long. Just because it's not a safe long. If you watch my screen and I open up, regular trading hours, you wouldn't long this.
No, because you're in
It's just a trending up
such a
day.
premium of that.
Yeah, too high of a premium. It's just a trending up day, probably. I'm gonna keep watching though. We'll watch the whole 10 a.m. hour if you're free.
Yeah, no, I am.
Unless it's Chop. Unless it's Bella Ramsey charts. Come on. My chart's frozen. It's just a trending up day. It's just one of those days. I mean, I wouldn't long. You can attempt to identify where it's heading to, which is these highs here, and you might be able to get an entry at 10 a.m.
I've already got the potential highs it was going to. Anyway, marked out from just this morning because I was looking at it.
Yeah, I figured that. Interesting. That's cool. Off it goes.
Trending update.
Order filled.
There's not a good long. There's no good long. Wouldn't long in this high of a premium. Did man's just enter on a 15-second inversion?
That's what I was watching, yeah. It's just a 15-second silver bullet.
Well, yeah, you're just catching it continuously. Just moving down the fractal. That's all you did.
But yeah, with this, I was watching this and I had a feeling it would do this. I didn't get a chance to get in. I wasn't going to front run 10 a.m., but I figured that's what it would do. I have no idea about this trade. Just like learning.
Just guessing. We're just hovering below. Yeah. It's gambling, mate.
So that's your 1 minute silver bullet.
To buy to the last high. I could enter one micro. But meh.
Order filled.
This man. These all demo, yeah?
Yeah, my account's locked. I'm only in 4 micros,
Don't-
bro.
don't-
Just added another one at a breaker.
Just don't click random links, like especially from Richie. Oh my god, where would he take you?
And that's how you trade Silver Bullet. Because we already established that it was a trending up day. So it's simple. Just take that gap, accept the risk. Did the gap offer 10 handles? Yes. There you go. Silver Bullet works every day.
Did it work then? Did you get the TP?
I'm saying, did that 1 minute gap offer 10 handles? So the entry would be 61 and you could get out at 71. That's the Silver Bullet.
Oh yeah.
Order filled.
Yeah, just get in there with 1 mini. Your risk would be $200. It would just be a 1-to-1 $200 trade. Yeah, that's decent. That's how you do Silver Bullet anyway. And watch this. This might just end up being 10 a.m. chop. I do think it keeps going higher. I would get in on something clear, but I did say longing today would be bad, so don't blindly copy me.
I'm not. I'm waiting to see something actual. Seeing what it offers me. I'm not.
You can always wait till.
I'm
long
not
and
just
close.
like sat on the 15 second taking trade after trade.
Trade after trade.
How many have you
Say that
taken
to me
already?
again.
4.
I literally
Okay.
took 2 trades.
Alright, mate. Calm down.
No, there was the in that partial. Are you mad?
2 trades.
You still wouldn't have been stopped out on this Silver Bullet trade. I mean, you would have had TP if you took 10 points. That's the point of the Silver Bullet. There's a 30-second. I was going to say if there was a 30-second gap to the upside, that would be like Caleb's model. 5 minutes taken out. It's pretty unclear.
Yeah, I'm unsure if it's about a reverse or just like reach for this last high.
I mean, dollars plummeting down towards sell side. That's happening. That's a trade in itself. With this coming into a small 5 minute gap, trend day conditions, like it do just keep
Yeah.
going higher in my opinion. Like, I wouldn't take that 1 minute inversion short because there's no reason to short with a 4 hour.
No, that's why I
heavily
wasn't. I was
bullish
thinking
zone.
this looks like it's here to fake people out short or to continue higher. So I think you could probably get away with a little buy here, to be fair, especially on the 5 minute. Buy when it's short the lows, go to that last high.
Trade it as a reclaimed buy side imbalance. You could trade it as Caleb's model if you get a 30-second gap.
I'm not even looking at the sub 1 minute.
Man, it's pretty messy.
I can see it on your screen. 30-second. Bit mess.
Order filled.
Entered aim for the last high. Fairness, I could switch to this 15-minute. I like the sub 1 minute chart.
It's like very common, obviously, for people to lose in trend day conditions. When they're offside. So that's just something that will happen in your career. You're gonna think
Yeah.
you're short.
It's a good thing to have to add to my journal. Like, that's fine.
Even suppose had I waited for the macro, I wouldn't have theoretically taken any losing trades. Thing is, the short was pretty confident. Like the bias looked short, just wrong.
Yeah, it is. We're about to sweep 2 days, like Thursday's high from last week. That's where we're at. Hovering around. Not quite touched it yet. SMT on the daily.
Are you in a trade?
No, I'm not in a trade. I haven't taken anything since the last. I'm
Oh,
waiting
we've
for
got
something.
some here. This is something obvious, but it's fine.
No, I was thinking about it. I don't know. Because it's still going to offer me like 10 pips. Yeah, I can get to that.
Handles.
Sorry, that's because I was watching core content. Just in the 10 o'clock chop.
Order filled.
AA. How much you got? Down 137. Oof. Nice. Up
We
again.
made $100.
Nice. Boy.
A good trade might be when the dollar has swept these lows. If it's like during like London close macro and there's a reversal play, then you could take a trade into like any 15-minute gap that's unmitigated. but I think it's going up here.
Yeah, no, there's still one more high for it to reach for. That's what I'm looking at. Like right now on the 15-minute, like there is no like mitigation candle, no order block here to keep price supported yet.
If you want an entry, like find a PD array that you can enter.
No, I'm not looking. I'm not looking for an entry. Well, I am looking for an entry, just like not right now. I'm not just gonna enter here.
Well, I would enter on this. I would do this. Oh shit. Let's tape read that.
See, I didn't even notice the propulsion block. It'll work on that.
That's a model in and of itself. Or you can do the same with this on the 15-second now that you know where it's going. And use this gap to protect yourself. Put your stop loss down here. But you're not copying me. You're learning.
No, I'm learning. I'm learning. Wait for it to tap this propulsion block.
Order filled.
How fucking you? Put it to the lows. Go to
Don't blame me if it goes wrong. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how to trade, bro. If it goes wrong, don't blame me. So
top of the.
it
I
should
put
be
it on
closed below the
top of the
Order
breaker.
filled.
I'm stopped. I got stopped immediately.
Oh. Well, it shouldn't close below the middle point before you get stopped. If it's going to keep going higher, it should be really fast now. How much did you lose?
$17.
Oh, that's alright.
It's because it hit it whilst I was moving it. I was like, oh, fuck. Oh well. It's fine.
It's still valid.
Yeah, no, I can still get an entry off here.
Your entry would be... This would be a good entry.
Yeah, I'm watching Sibby.
That'd be a great trade if it gave it to you.
Order filled.
What are you buying?
Hmm?
What did you buy?
This.
This? I said... I mean, it's working, but bro, why didn't you wait for it to actually close above the gap?
Because I'm looking where the bodies are closing and open. It's still within this tight range. I think that's...
Alright. Front running an inversion for value gap before it even prints.
Alright, good to note though.
Saying the inversion gap would be a good entry. I mean, hey, stay in the trade. Don't like.
Yeah, no,
fumble.
I'm not just gonna get out.
I would have waited for the invert. It hasn't even printed yet. So far, it's not looking. I mean, it's not looking like anything. I was gonna say it's not looking good, and then the candles move so fast. See, you got 10 seconds. If it closes above, then that's when you should have got. Now I've got to wait a whole other minute. Like, how do you feel now, being long but watching it like not be sure if it's going to make an inversion for value gap on?
I don't feel anything. I'm alright.
Would you feel more comfortable? Would you feel more comfortable if like
If
there,
there,
if you got in there, would you feel comfortable?
yeah, that would be, I guess, the better fill.
Yeah, exactly.
Like them with larger
Exactly.
confirmation and confluence.
Yeah. Dodgy's probably taking this fucking trade, saying it's the best trade in the world.
And then when it goes wrong, he'll be like, "It's an eval trade."
Obviously, from here, stop placement and all that is up to you. I would have 3 clear 1-minute PD rays protect me at all times.
Yeah, I'm just leaving it until it gets some distance.
Dodgy would go break even now and then be like, "Oh, it was a scale half break even trade." Shut up, bro. Stealing my meme, posting it on Twitter. What killed me today? Confidence. Not waiting for the macro because of confidence. Because once we knew what it was actually doing, I had no issue getting in. So neither did you. So you want to see that form a breakaway gap. And if it comes all the way down, you want to see it act as an immediate rebalance. So now when that closes, you'd have breakaway gap, near enough a breaker order block. So you could go near break even or wherever. I don't know where your entry is, but
Breaker.
yeah, that gap should stay open. It would be nice. I'm off to the toilet.
I fucking can't. My water's stopped. It's annoying. Going $2. If that's a breaker, and that makes a breakaway gap, and then there's the inversion. That's 1, 2, 3. See how it respects this. Don't want to see bodies. Enter. Go a bit below there. Don't want to see.
Trade's still going? Yeah.
Yep, still going.
Still good.
I'm at plus $2.
I would probably see this like 1 minute wick, the highest one.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at.
That it's climbing above now. If you imagine that as a gap and it were to get above that and like you'd see that as a discount array.
Yeah,
That's when I would like be on like definitely. I would definitely be break even then. I think.
Okay.
Because then you'd have that, then you have the breakaway gap.
Yeah.
And the
breaker.
And the inversion for value gap.
Yeah. So I moved it up based on the fact that there was the breaker, the breakaway gap, and the inversion. But if
Show me your screen.
No, I've got my fucking hell, my screen should be sharing.
Oh yeah.
It's been on this whole time.
Oh, you you're break even already because you're in.
Yeah.
I would.
And then there's margin.
Yeah, fair enough. Anyway, this has probably been quite educational for you.
No, it is. I've got this whole session recorded as well. I've got to see how the audio comes up. I'm gonna have to start using headphones, probably, to stop overlap between my mic and you. I don't know, we had no viewers, so I don't know how the actual stream across Discord came across network-wise. Chop it up, I don't know.
But this is how you trade Silver Bullet.
Yeah, wait for continuation. Let's enter more.
Well, you can pyramid into your winners because you can keep trailing your stop, right?
Order filled. Order filled.
Damn, man, you keep entering.
It's a demo, so I'm learning how to pyramid.
That's fair.
I wouldn't.
I'm
I
not.
wouldn't copy just because you hear that. That's
Yeah, no, I haven't entered any additional ones. I've one micro aiming to make 247.
Order filled.
I'm just watching you now.
Yeah, did you just get out? See, now it is on this breaker.